All right, another collaborative learning technique I want to talk to you about is the team anthologies or group investigation collaborative learning technique. In this technique, you're going to require students to do a little bit of independent research. So as part of this research, and you can decide as to the volume of formality that occurs here. You can go all the way from one end where they are annotating, preparing, publishing this anthology. Or on the other end, maybe they're just compiling in some information or generating some notes via maybe a Google document or Google Slides presentation, which frankly would work whether you're doing the formal or informal route. And then what they're doing is they are presenting these topics to each other, whether using the forums or this is something they're bringing back into the classroom, or they're using chat tools, or they're simply sharing them via email so that students are essentially tasked with doing some teaching of each other. Now, a few things happen here. One is that students refine their research techniques by being tasked to go out and find more information about a topic, and then build some sort of presentation or delivery of that content for their peers to engage with. You're actually giving them some publishing skills as well by asking them to do this. And as an extension, you might require them to put in some discussion questions at the end of their presentation to get the other team thinking. And so again, you can add on some question development building into this activity. So again, in the case of a team anthology or group investigation, you might have them more formally researching and generating some evidence and documentation of this research to present to another group. Or maybe less formally, more informally, they're doing some research, gathering resources, links to websites and images, and then sharing those with another group to help teach a topic. And whether you use that to go on to continue discussion by virtue of the questions that students might be asking each other in there, I mean, that's up to you. You can take this multiple steps further by incorporating a forums discussion at the end of this sort of team teaching, team anthology, group investigation activity. So there's another one. If you're trying to think of tools to use, well, geez, like I said, I mean, anything that's collaborative, anything you can repurpose for these types of activities. So there's another one for you.